Hello, welcome back to BeCosmoss. Today we are all the way up to the northwest of Iceland with Judit, an artist that talks about environmental issues through her work.
Hey everyone, I'm Judit Sánchez. I'm an artist and environmentalist, and right now I'm here in the northwest of Iceland taking part at this artist residency. I've been working in a series of lumen prints, an umbrella project that is called Sendas cósmicas. Sendas cósmicas started as an exploration of different environmental issues here in Iceland. Doing research, I found out that climate change is not just like making glaciers to retreat. The volcanic activity is likely to increase. So that, of course, connected the project and the project location with a bigger issue. Actually, the climate and the natural forces were like leading the way. In this process, I ended up in the Hiveri geothermal area. I was directly exposing the photographic paper on the particular ground of the location. So I was trying with that to transfer the natural chemical processes that are happening in the earth into the photographic paper. So that process will keep going, and in that transformation one could see the metaphor for the climate change that we are actually undergoing right now. And I was connecting the micro to the macro, to something that it's a bigger issue, something that is much bigger than us for sure. But right now we are in a world that, you know, like we have all this information flowing all the time. Of course we get like all these like environmental issues, we read them everywhere, but at the same time that's a very direct way of communication. So art is like, I feel it's kind of taking this sideway, so you can actually reach to like the consciousness of people, but in a more like subtle way. It's like a bridge somehow, like the artist can act as a bridge between the public, and it's like environmental awareness. Well, definitely I see a broken connection. Mankind is trying to conquer and to master nature instead of try to co-live with nature and see it as an equal.
All right, I want to feel it. Yes?
I would invite like any of you watching to go somewhere remote and just face your own self and just listen to nature.
Stay conscious and be cosmos.